Matthew. Hello, my baby. How are you? How are you? Matthew Brennan. Hello. What is it? Oh, bless you, maybe? I don't know. Are you a happy baby? Are you a happy baby, sweetheart? Yeah? Where's that smile? Oh, no, not quite. Come on, let's see the smile. Let's see your smile. Can you say hi, Daddy? Say hello, Daddy. Hi. Say hello. Oh, spit up. Awesome. Well, luckily we're about to do laundry. We'll just toss the boppy cover in there too. Say hello. Say hello. Is that all you're going to do, my baby? Okay, let's say bye, Daddy. See you later, Daddy. Bye.